Welcome back to Nothing Beats Mum's Cooking. Today we're putting together a hearty, fresh and colourful warm steak salad with beetroot, feta and creamy avocado. Start with your favourite cut of steak, sirloin, rump or ribeye. Season generously with steak and chop spice and let it rest so the flavours soak in. Heat a pan with olive oil, then drop in butter, smashed garlic, rosemary and thyme and start basting. And sear the steak for about 2 to 3 minutes per side. That's where the real flavour magic happens. Once cooked to your liking, rest the steak for a few minutes, then slice thinly against the grain for maximum tenderness. Now let's build our salad. Start with fresh leafy greens, spinach, rocket, butter lettuce. Top with cooked beetroot, ribboned cucumber, avocado, red onion and olives. Lightly toast a handful of pecans and crumble over some creamy feta. These textures make every bite special. For the dressing, mix olive oil, balsamic vinegar, honey, Dijon mustard, salt and pepper. Whisk until smooth. Place the warm steak slices right over the salad and finish with a drizzle of our sweet and tangy dressing. So satisfying, so nourishing, and packed with bold flavour. This is how we do dinner at Nothing Beats Mum's Cooking. Don't forget to like, comment and follow for more easy family meals with a twist of love and a touch of AI.